The battery pack showed no smoke, no fire, and no leakage.
I'm really impressed with how rigorous the R&D is here, as well as how detail-focused they are on the safety requirements of the product.
So I was very surprised that after the crash, the car remains almost untouched. Also the cabin space, completely untouched. So I was very, very surprised this car is really, really safe.
I think it's really up there with the best. The external structure absorbed the impact efficiently, and also the internal cell remained intact. So I would say it's really a great, it was a great test to see.
We saw the airbags deployed really fast, and no leak or smoke of the battery, which is really important for electric cars. So it looks like really well made and successful crashing test.